Hello and welcome to my channel Green Roads. Today is 8th of November. So at morning I went for a ride with the Raiden Riders group to Bhuleshwar. We had returned by 12:30 p.m. There was another bike night today, so meetup. It's not a ride kind of thing, it's a meetup and gathering and get together kind of thing. It's managed by Raiden Riders. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of content, so I hope you like it. So it's a get together kind of thing. Whoever are able to come up or are possible to come to this bike night, they will be coming and they will be joining. So it's held in Cocorico restaurant near Bavdan in Pune. Let's see. And also this is my first time I'm going for a kind of riders group get together dinner thing. All and everything is managed by Raiden Riders. Thanks to the manager and the administrators, they're working together to bring this up, to invite us. Huge get together thing by Raiden Riders group. If you want to join the Raiden Riders group, you can just contact them, search in Facebook, get in touch with them. And also I'll put an invite link on the description below. If you want to join the Raiden Riders group, I'll put it on the description. And so let's roll. Enough blabbering out. Now let's reach there and let's see who all are there, what is the place like, how is the event. So it's 6:39, 6:40 nearly. Now within 1 kilometer I'm going to reach. Yep, it's on the left. The GPS navigation just informed me. The GPS lady. Yep, that's it. So I've reached the location. This is the location, and it's a good place. I'll show you the name first. Cocorico Smoke Kitchen. So this is the place, and it's located in Bavdan. Nice, good ambience.
Okay, over and out.
I'll just start recording from my phone now. So hello again, this is the bike night for RR. So here are the bikes, Royal Enfield, and this is a Harleys, 3 Harleys. The main event is inside. Here is Sarang, and he is the one of the main members of the RR. So this is the area where the RR event is happening, the bike night. This is the placard. Here everything is decorated by RR. Such a beautiful capture. Balloons. I'll just show you the whole area. These are all riders and RR family. Here is Kishore from the RR, the main head. This is a projector that is fit here. RR video is running. All of the rides that they have been done, all the videos have been captured, though it is running here in the projector. So it's whole spread till here. These are the locations they have had a ride with. This is Kishore Dada and is the main Raiden rider. As I said, he is the head of the Raiden rider, Kishore and Ram. the founder, one of the founders. There's all the rides there in them. This was, I guess, today's ride. Such a beautiful decoration has been done here by all RR people. Everybody is like very friendly here. So just have to go. And we'll see you soon after the event starts.
Very soon we are going to start this program, so I request all of you please occupy the seats.
So now the event is going to start and everybody is here.
So we are here to celebrate this bike night. First of all, let me clear what is bike night. बेसिकली आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे फैमिलीज़ हैं यहाँ पे, तो मैं उनके लिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि फैमिलीज़ के लिए बाइक या फिर राइडिंग को आना हर टाइम पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दे कम फॉर द राइडिंग. तो जिनको पॉसिबल नहीं है तो उनके लिए हमने ये गेट टुगेदर रखा है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वेलकम ऑल for this auspicious and beautiful evening. Just few days before there was a discussion on the group that what is radon. Basically that is one colorless, odorless gas. Definition wise, that word wise if you consider. To reveal the meaning of each word in that radon. So R, any guesses what will be the meaning of R? First, rock stars of the road. Really, because whenever we move to any rural places at that time, people look at us with respect and affection, and really that is a very big thing for us. Then A stands for ambitious. All the time, whenever we have the ride at Sunday, we coming or next Monday itself, we start thinking about the coming ride on coming Sunday, right? So we are very ambitious about it. Then D stands for dynamic. Really, some here are college students. Here are some Samir sir, means you can say 20-25 years of riding experience. Yes, he is a college student. O stands for open-hearted. Really, whenever you feel any low in your life, just have one ride with a radon family. You will really start enjoying your life, right? And finally, N is stands for nurtured with culture, and really you will feel this kind of brotherhood all the time whenever we have the rides, right? So from my point of view, this is the Radons family. I wholeheartedly welcome you all in this Radons family, Radons Riders group. Thank you so much. We welcome by giving token of love from our family. So first of all, Samir sir, please come ahead. Thank you and welcome sir in our RR family.
Ice on my straw.
Please come here. So sorry, Smita.
इसको भी ले लो याला पढ़िए याला
Please clap for them. Please. ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत थके हुए हैं, सब आ रहे हैं और जबरन यहाँ पे बिठाए गए आर फैमिली. Thank you so much. Backbone of RR family and RR group. Lovely stuff. दो तीन महीने होने का है, तो अभी तक संगीता ने एक भी राइड मिस नहीं की, हर राइड को होती है वो. एंड रियली दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग बिकॉज one of the lady rider and you can say backbone of RR family. Official number for Redon's family, Redon Riders group. Any guesses?
Any guesses?
First two digits. First number other.
9 से चालू होगा.
8 or 9. Generally 9 से चालू होता है. It's getting shuffled. It's getting shuffled. Come on, come on, come on. Let's pick the first number. Which is the first number? 7 or 9? 7 or 9 or 9? जो भी पेमेंट होंगे, जो भी होगा, इस नंबर पे किया जाएगा. The number is, you can note it down, 9780333377. Please hold it like this. Yes. Very good. And it is very proud moment for us because we have announced we are going to launch the official website and all the official.
So वेबसाइट कुछ ही दिनों में पूरा एकदम आपको एक लाइव मिल जाएगा, उसमें पूरा अपडेट्स मिल जाएगा आपको, जहाँ पे ऑफिशियल्स नंबर्स भी होंगे, ईमेल आईडी, जो भी मीडिया कनेक्शंस या आपको फिर कहीं शेयर करना है, कहीं पे आप दिखा सकते कि आई एम लाइक इसकी प्रिविलेज होल्डर है, प्रिविलेज राइडर्स हो. वन मोर हियर, एक और अनाउंसमेंट है कि सो हियर इज अ न्यू अपडेटेड फ्लैग्स. You can see here with website address as well as with new update, official mobile number. So Redon Riders, hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! 3 cheers for Redon Riders, hip hip, hooray! और ऑलरेडी Redon Riders का जो अपना लोगो है वो ट्रेडमार्क हो चुका है ऑफिशियली. अभी बैंक अकाउंट्स भी हो जाएंगे कुछ ही समय में. आपके जो भी पेमेंट्स या जो भी एक्सपेंसेस रहते राइड रिलेटेड वो पूरा डायरेक्टली पेमेंट ट्रांसफर होगा अपने Redon के ऑफिशियल नंबर एज वेल एज गूगल पे, पेटीएम, एनी यूपीआई ट्रांजेक्शन.
ऊपर कोड रहेगा ना?
यस सर, सब कोड रहेगा.
हेलो हेलो, आइए स्मिता मैम.
But in this group, this is the best thing I have observed, that everyone is supporting as a family member, and that is a very good thing in this group.
वो कहते हैं ना, सारा समंदर स्याही हो, सारे पेड़ कलम हो और सारी धरती कागज हो. इतनी भी तारीफ करूँ उतनी आप सब दोनों के लिए कम है. So RR family should be very much proud of these two guys, and really these guys are very much motivational, inspirational. Then next is Sangeeta. She is always approachable. The way she manages things, back end में बहुत सारी चीज़ें रहती है जो मैनेज करना रहता है.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll check you after the dinner is done. So the event is over now, and everybody has left towards their home. I am also leaving now. It's 11:41, so it's a good time. Not too late, not too early. So now towards home I am leaving, and I hope you have liked this video. This is a different kind of content which I have made, an event based on the riders group, the Redon Riders. It was fun. It was like gathering for getting to know each other, what their life is, what riding life is, and let the family know how riding is safe, how Redon Rider does things. This shows how Redon Rider is a matured group, and this is the first time I have ever seen a riding group doing a huge event, a private riding group, like not even say any sponsorship given by any company, no sponsorship giving. The Redon Rider groups, they are investing their own money they are keeping this event. I hope the group grows more, and if you're watching and you're from Pune, I hope you, and if you love riding, or even if you love driving or exploring, do join this group. Every detail of this group will be shown in the description. You can check the description of this video. So that's all for this video now. Do subscribe to my channel, do share, do comment on this video, and stay safe. Wear seat belts if you are driving a car, wear a mask, use sanitizers. If you are riding a bike, do wear helmet, wear a gloves, wear a mask or balaclava. Ride safe, stay safe, take care of yourself and your family. See you soon on the next video.